Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome to the channel, Meakhernandez. Today, what we're going to talk about is going to be a maintenance cleaning. And we're going to do this maintenance cleaning on everyone's favorite shoe. That's right, the Panda Dunk. So let's go ahead and jump right on into this. Let's go. All right, so pretty much the first thing that I like to do after I wear a shoe, now as we can see the shoe isn't dirty. I did wear it, but what I don't like to do is always clean a shoe. Like, I don't like deep cleaning a shoe unless I absolutely have to. And I'm not sure if you guys noticed, but I'm not the one to kind of get my shoes all muddied and everything on purpose, because I just don't go, I just don't go that route. But this is what I like to do right after I finish wearing the shoe. So I wore this shoe yesterday. I kind of went to a mariachi thing, grass, whatever. But as we could tell, the shoe isn't too bad, but I do like to keep it sprucey. Sprucey, new word of the day. So the original paper that came into the shoe, I like to go ahead and pop that back in there. Now the second thing that I like to do with the shoe, grab some wipes. Got these here. And let's go ahead and turn the shoe around a little bit and kind of just wipe it down. Pretty simple. And that way you don't always have to be sitting there worried if you have to clean your shoes the next time you want to wear them, because they're already nice and fresh, good to go. And that's a short little video on how to keep your shoes looking clean and refreshed right after you wear them. That way you don't have to worry about it the next time you want to rock them. Now, I know this is everybody's favorite shoe, but let's go ahead and take a look. As we see, got that paper stuff back in there. And the shoe's good to go, ready for the next wear. Hey guys, thanks for watching this short video on how to keep your shoes clean and ready for the next wear. It was just a short maintenance clean, utilizing some sneaker wipes and the shoe that you just wore. But make sure you hit the like and subscribe. That way the algorithm pushes my video out to more people. As a brand new content creator, this would help a lot. All right, thanks.